Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make seamless patterns in Canva? I'll show you exactly how it's done. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your desired dimensions. After setting the canvas size, locate the Apps section in the menu. In the search bar, type Type to find the tools or features related to text. This prepares your workspace for adding text elements. Select PatternedAI from the menu. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, choose Upload to add your file. For this example, we'll use a sample file to demonstrate the process. Once your file is uploaded, PatternedAI will process it and you'll see your project appear on the dashboard. Select the PNG image. Next, scroll down the Settings panel until you find the Spacing option. Click on Spacing, then adjust the value to increase the space as needed. This will resize the space around your PNG image, helping achieve your desired layout effect efficiently. Increase the brightness of all lights using the slider. To adjust your view, zoom in to see details more clearly, or zoom out for a wider perspective of the scene. You can also adjust the horizontal position by dragging the element left or right as needed. Adjust the vertical position by dragging the element up or down until it aligns exactly where you want it on the canvas. Add this as your background to see how it appears. You can experiment with different backgrounds to find the one you prefer. Add another sample by creating a new page in PatternedAI. Click the Add Page button, and your new page will appear, ready for customization. Select Gallery to view a variety of patterns. Browse through the available options to choose an example that suits your needs. Use the zoom controls to zoom in on the image. You can also zoom out if needed. Once you've zoomed into your preference, click the Add as Background button to apply the change. You already have this item, but you can add more if needed. Simply browse the list, find what you want, and click to include it in your selection. Browse the gallery to view additional design options. When you find one you prefer, select it, then add it as your background. This will instantly update your project to use the new design you chose. If you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button. Then select Download to save your project. Double-check your file settings to ensure you get the correct format before completing the download. The size is maximized for better quality. You can easily download all pages by clicking the Download button located here to save them to your device. Your seamless pattern is now ready. You've successfully completed the process. You've learned how to make seamless patterns in Canva. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.